When you need to find medical care in the United States, you are sure to find an excellent choice. But choosing can be confusing. So how do you find the right care in the right place to suit your needs? Finding a provider is easy with myUHCGlobal app. From your app homepage, choose Network and then View. From the country menu, select United States. Search for a pharmacy or healthcare provider here. You'll find all the care you need in the Choice Plus network. Save money on your healthcare costs by choosing Choice Plus Network. Enter your location. Key in a street address, city or zip code. Search direct for a provider. Or choose a category. Find medical professionals, clinics, tests or treatments, or help for common conditions like back pain, infections, or skin complaints. Click on the menu and find providers near you. To make choosing easier, simply fine-tune your search. You might prefer a male or female doctor, a consultation in a different language, or access to virtual care. Scroll through to see nearby providers who offer what you need. View details for more information, to check opening hours or accessibility, and then save your selection. Remember to print or email your choices before you finish your search. To find a pharmacy near you, start your search through the Choice Plus network. From the menu, choose Benefits and then Pharmacy Benefits to choose from thousands of network pharmacies. Enter a pharmacy name or simply your location and preferred distance of travel to see what's nearby. Use filters to find specialist support and services, and view details for more information. Call direct or pinpoint the location. If you need further assistance in finding a Choice Plus network provider, we are here to help anytime, any day.